Are you struggling in getting engagement from your participant during your virtual workshop? Do you run out of time trying to cover all your content during your virtual workshop? Do you find it difficult to pinpoint what kind of content that you need to cover during your virtual workshop? These are challenges that is faced by trainers and facilitators when they design and deliver virtual workshops. Hi, I am Juara. In learning and development, I am a facilitative trainer, a graphic facilitator, and also an ontological coach. However, the area that I enjoy most in learning and development is workshop and training design. I started learning and development in the year 2000. Since then, I have delivered trainings, I have designed workshops for online and offline content, I have mentored trainers, and I have coached executives and entrepreneurs. As a designer of trainings, workshop, and curriculum, the methodology that I use is accelerated learning. The events of 2020 was a profound impact for everyone. The L&D sector was not spared. Trainers, facilitators, and educators were forced to change and adapt to go online. And this is not the norm for many of us, because up till that point, what's normal was face-to-face, physical workshops and training sessions. And many of us were caught unprepared. However, we were fortunate because in the year 2019, we were certified to go online, to conduct trainings, to conduct workshops face-to-face virtually. And this has helped us. When the pandemic started, within 2 weeks of the shutdown, we were already online. Since being certified, we were able to add on to our offerings, not just face-to-face physical interaction, as well as virtual workshops and training sessions. A case in point, in 2021, 346 days was done virtually. Realizing the many challenges that is faced by L&D practitioners to go online, especially in the area of engagement, we decided to address this issue so that more and more L&D practitioners are able to offer their services, their workshops, and their sessions online or virtually. And this is not just to address the issue of the times, but for us, this is an ability that will be called for, that will be demanded for L&D practitioners more and more in the future. Using our skills in designing trainings and our experience conducting face-to-face virtual workshops, the Virtual Learning Facilitator Certification Program was born. The Certified Virtual Learning Facilitator Program, also known as CVLF, covers 3 major areas of virtual workshop. The first is workshop design. The second is workshop delivery. And the third is participants' engagement. In workshop design, we will be covering numerous content, such as the distinction of the various types of online content that is available for L&D practitioner to utilize, theories and methodology of virtual workshop design, design concepts that can be used not only for virtual workshops but also for physical face-to-face interactions. In workshop delivery, we will be sharing with you our best practices that we have used in preparing and delivering workshops virtually. As for participant engagement, you will be exposed to various practical concepts, how to engage your audience. We will also be sharing experiential tips, how to create a community of practice online that is active not only with you, not only with each other, but also with the content that you are delivering. If you are looking for a practical and experiential workshop on how to design, deliver, and engage in a virtual workshop, come and join us by clicking the link below. Hope to see you.